Hi everyone, good afternoon. It's Tuesday afternoon here. We've got a little break in the what's going on in the house here, so I'm going to quickly get some of the stones and the soil that's at the top of the drive into and around the back here into the new bonsai area. So this is what the area looks like at this moment. We've got the big soil pit at the top, which is going to be the pre-bonsai garden. Then we've got this area, which is the raised area, which is going to have all the stone chippings put in. And let's go and have a look and see what we've got to move. So we're going to be bringing everything down around the side of the house. We've got to travel down these stairs, past the water butts, which are full again, absolutely brimming to the top. A little bit of rain and it fills up nicely. So down these stairs, a few trips with these two bags. So there's a half-ton bag of stone and a half-ton bag of the soil. It's nice topsoil, so we'll get all the composty soil that's down there raked into the bottom, and we'll get this chucked over the top, and hopefully it's going to be enough to fill it. But they're only £30 a bag, so whatever we need, we'll get another bag of each or whatever's required. So let's get on with shoveling these round, and I'll see you back on the back to watch it all go into place. So we've shrunk it down into lots of smaller bags, so we'll see how many times we have to empty a bag to fill it up. That's the first 5. That's about 10. That's about 15. $17. It'll go in the bag, but it won't come out. There you go. Quickly do some levelling out so that we've got the holes to work with. And as soon as you start filling the holes, the mounds start disappearing. I'm hoping we've just about got enough in that bag, but we will see. So it looks almost full, but I bet that can take a good few bags yet. So we've got a few more bags that we've shoveled out of this big white bag, but I've managed to drag this round just to empty this, because I'd rather have a load of small ones left if there's any extra than this bag one that we've got to manhandle. So let's empty this. Which barely made a dent, and then we'll get the rest of the probably about half a dozen bags. And I do think we could probably lose another 10 or 20 bags in there, to be honest. It's with the size of the rectangle, it's amazing how many bags it takes to fill these things up. That didn't work. Final bag. We're definitely going to need quite a few more bags. Or maybe we can work it to this level. The thing is, it is going to sink down over a period of time as the air comes out and the soil finds its level. Right, that just about does it. We'll concentrate on the stone. So we've got some of the stone in position. I'm just going to rake it to a flat level so that we've got somewhere to work to, because again it will be quite deceptive how much this actually takes up, but it makes an instant transformation on the whole setup. looking good. Hopefully this will find its level over a period of time. It's not looking too bad for where it is, and with it being the jagged stones, it will compact into itself, and you know, the real gravelly effect will slowly wear out after a period of time as it compacts itself into shape. So it's beginning to take shape and look alright. The stone is just about level all the way up to the back. It does ramp up a little bit towards the back here. I'm going to fill that space down there with the stone and bring it up to the level of the wood, and then back down here I'm just going to clear all this from the studio area, as I'm calling it, and then down that edge we'll put a course of the stone down there as well. But yeah, it's really beginning to take shape, so we'll get on with that and then I'll come back and show you what the finished article looks like. So here we are. It's really beginning to take shape. The floor's a bit of a mess. I'll give that a bit of a hose down, but I didn't want to do it just yet because I didn't want to dirty the stones and spoil this little bit of a end of the video here. So stones are all in place. The soil's in the pre-bonsai garden. We stuck a little strip of stones up the back there just to fill that hole in. I think Beverly approves, she likes it, and Pete's done his inspections and disappeared. So we've got the last 4% of the battery of the camera, and I have gave the stones a bit of a wash. They're still quite grotty, but they'll be all right to be walking on and working on. And I think you'll agree they've come up quite nice, and the whole thing just sets itself off really well. So the next phase is the roof. We've got the replacement parts coming tomorrow, so hopefully by the end of this week we'll just be needing the front putting on. So once again, that's another day done. It was only an evening really, been at work all day. So if this is the end of your day, then hope you made the most of it, but if it's not, make the best of the rest of your day. Go out, if you go outside, you know, wear a mask and everything else, and be kind to others, animals and the planet. And as always, I'll see you again in the next one.